Hi everyone, I'm Jerome from Cognito Academy and I'll be taking you through O-level physics questions in this series. Let's take a look at this question which asks us which row correctly shows one scalar and one vector. So this question just requires us to recall which quantities are scalars and which are vectors. So for A, displacement is a vector quantity, so A is wrong. For B, mass is a scalar, so that's correct. And displacement is a vector, so that is also correct. B is correct. Now let's take a look at C. For C, speed is a scalar quantity, but mass is a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity. So C is wrong. For D, velocity is a vector quantity, not a scalar quantity, so D is wrong as well. So our answer here is B. If you found this useful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more videos to come.